Hi, today's video regarding Canon Pixma TS6340 all-in-one printer. As you can see, this is a wireless printer where you can do wireless print scan, and it has a copy function, and these are the ink cartridges you can use. The number is written on the box. So I'll show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup, how to connect with the home or office Wi-Fi network, and how to install the ink cartridges and how to load the paper tray. So let's start with an unboxing first. So printer comes in a very good packing. As you can see here, you just have to cut the tape from both ends and from the top, and then you can open the box. Now once we open the box, you have to lie down on one side, and you will see here, as I'll show you what are the items inside this box. So here you can see, just remove the front box, you will see the documents and ink cartridges, and also you will see that is the by wire for the connection. So now we have to open the box. You get a leaflet saying some details, so remove the outer covering, and now we have to take the tapes off. So these tapes are just to secure the printer, and you open the top lid and remove these as well, and you open the ink cartridge chamber and remove the final tape from there. Press it downwards, it will come down, and now we have to connect it with the wire. So plug one end into the computer, into your printer, and other one to the power supply. Now let's do the setup. So to start with the setup, we press the power button on and switch on the printer here. So once our printer is on, we will go on the display screen. Now select the language you want and you just click OK, as you see the OK button at the display panel, and confirm the language and press yes. So once you click OK, you will see this option, it says manual, and if you scroll down and you will see this QR code, and below you will see the option to start the actual setup, and you have to click OK on that. So I'm going to scroll it down. So here you have to press OK, and you will see this, it says install the ink tank, open the cover. So I'm going to show that now. To open the ink cover, we need to place a hand on the both side. There is a notch here, so you have to lift the ink cartridge chamber and it will stand itself. You will see the things where you have to install the ink cartridge will move in the middle. Now take the ink cartridges out of the packing, remove the seals. So all ink cartridges are sealed in a plastic envelope, so you just have to open like this. And once you open it, now we have to remove the orange plastic seal from here. So you just move it with the thumb, and now your ink cartridge is ready to install. So same way we have to do for all the ink cartridges, and once we do it, now we have to insert it here. So you just have to first place it inwards, just push it in little bit and then press downwards, and it will lock itself there. And you have to do it for all of the 5 ink cartridges and match the number, as you can see, and also the color and the alphabets written there. As you can see, M, B, K, Y. Now this one is like blue, so it will go into the blue side. So I'm going to install the black first. So this is the black. So once you install all the ink cartridges, go on the display screen and check if all the cartridges are recognized there. If it is done, now it says close the door. So lift it up and it will come down itself. Now go to the display screen again and click OK, so that we finish the ink installation. Now it's saying for the alignment, and to do that click yes, and then we will go and install the pages. So you also need the A4 size sheets so that we can install them into the paper tray, and there are two trays. I'll show you here. The one is actually the rear tray where we can install the A4 size sheets, like this, and you can also take the back side up as well to hold the pages. And there is another tray at the bottom which is a cassette tray which can hold up to 100 pages. So here we can install the pages as well. So just adjust the size. So this way it will go here. And now we have to close this cassette tray. Now the paper output tray is automatic. It will come automatically out, or if you want you can take it out with your hand, but usually it comes out with itself when you are going to print or when you are going to copy something. Now go on the display screen, click OK as we have loaded the paper tray. Now it says it will take around 6 minutes for the initial setup, so just wait for the 2 pages to come out. Automatically printer will take them in and take out, and it will print on that so that it can check and it can align the ink cartridges. So once this process is finished, then we have to go to the display panel again. Now it says printer setup is complete and you are ready to go. So once you click OK, and you will see the main screen and it displays like this. So let's start with the copy. So I'll show you how to do a copy with this printer. Now open the top scanner, place a page facing downwards on the left hand side or left hand corner, close the lid. Now click on the start button, that means we are ready to print. So you click it once and you also confirm on the screen with OK button, and then we are going to print it. Now the printer takes some time to print as usual. It's not a very fast printer, but it's good. Now I'll show you how to connect it with the home or office Wi-Fi network. Now for the Wi-Fi setup, go on the main screen, click OK, and you will see here Wi-Fi setup option. Click on that, and you will see here easy Wi-Fi connect, and then you will see the manual connect. Click on that. So once you click manual connect, you will see the printer wireless Wi-Fi network's name. Now select the network and enter the password as you can see here. Now you can use this button as I am pressing with the thumb up and down, and this button is actually to make the letters bold and small, and if you need the numbers, and with up and down arrow you can select if you want to write A, B, C, and it also displays on the screen how to enter the alphabets and the numbers, what is the back space, and if once you complete you have to press that green button. So as I'm showing here, I have entered the password. Now click on the start button, that is the button, not the stop button. Now you'll see it is connecting to the router. So once it is connected to router, we are ready to use it as an online printer. Now this might take few time, and once you see the confirmation, click OK. Now I'm going to show you how to use it with the device. For example, if you are going to use a smartphone, now we go back on the main screen and take your smartphone and download the Canon Selfie app from the App Store and open the app. Now we need to add the printer here, so for that we need to click on the printer below, and you click on the add section and you will see the name of the printer displayed, and once you click on that it will add automatically, and once it is added we can do the wireless printing scanning. So I'll show you how to do the wireless scanning. The printer name will be displayed here as you can see at the bottom. Now open the printer scanner tray, place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner, and now we go on the smartphone. Now you see the scan option here, click on that, and you can do some settings if you want. You can change the size, you can change the type of image if you want a JPEG or other, and you can add more documents for the scanning as well. So just click on scan and it will be done. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and it is really helpful for you. Thanks for watching.